Hello, welcome to a little demo of my martial arts tricking database web app. I made this with Django and Python. Had a lot of fun. I'm just going to go ahead and give a quick demonstration so I can go ahead and sign in. And yeah, obviously I haven't quite implemented security things, so I have a problem with that. Or maybe it's because my password is 12345. By the way, so here's my account, or this user's account. It'll show me the different tricks that they can perform, that they have saved. Give you a description, you can go back, and it shows that list again. I go in and edit some tricks. If you notice before, you don't see 540. I put it just to prove, just to illustrate. If I add that, now it's on there. You can look at that. You can also look at it here if you're wondering, oh, what is this trick? Oh, there's the description. It takes you right back to where you were. You can add that. I actually can do that. Something like that. Yeah. And if I want to sign out, and let's say I want to make a new account, I'll do Jafar, password will be lamp1. We go to create new account, or if I try to sign in, it'll give me an error. This, and I do account. It'll ask me to confirm password. Assuming it matches, it'll say that it works, which it did. Then I can sign in. Username is case sensitive as of right now. Sign in. And you see empty because I haven't saved any tricks yet. So I can go in, I can add some tricks. Jafar is going to be really good. So he's going to have these triple backflip, double gainer. We'll give him some crazy tricks. And you can see they're all added here. If I sign out, sign back in, just to show that they're still there. And I can go in. I can also edit it. And if I want to delete it all, I can go ahead and clear all my tricks. And maybe there is an error. Well, I guess I need to clean up the delete, but otherwise, I had other problems there earlier too. So, but I could still add successfully, so that would be future work. Then if I sign out, yeah, so that's a quick demonstration. Then just a quick overview of the code. So this was all given as listed here, club540.com. This is kind of my inspiration for this web app. And there's an API I found, the website used. So I was able to get this data in my views just upon the sign-in screen pulling up. And that's if there's no tricks already in the trick database. Let's see here, it's doing the request. Get request. And parsing through that data and storing it. And then if we look at the models, I have 4 tables. I have a trick table, which is going to be on tricks, user tricks, which connects the username to the tricks that they can perform, or the user ID, not the username, but the user to the tricks. So the user, as well as a class to tell you, which classifications, so intermediate, beginner, novice. So that is my data set or database. And I think that is just about everything that I could think of. So future work includes, like I mentioned, getting the delete to work. I guess I had a problem, so I need to go in and figure out why that happened. The other thing is to pre-populate the checkboxes So I can, for example, 540 pop through 60. If I go to here, have these pre-checked, so I know which ones I've already selected. But if I do reselect them, it's not a problem. It doesn't re-add them twice. Yeah, and so there is my web app project.